Sai Ram. Life is like a train journey. With its different stations, change of routes, accidents, joys, sorrows, fantastic moments, and so on. At the time of boarding the train, we are aware of the final destination. It is important that we are not caught sleeping or forgetting it during the course of the journey, because life's journey, like a train journey, depends on why we are making it.
ये समय का पहिया चलता ही जाए, ये समय का पहिया चलता ही जाए, तेरी प्रगति ही पहचान रे, चलता जा इंसान रे, तो चलता जा इंसान, चलता जा इंसान रे, तो चलता जा इंसान.
Well, the ultimate destination always has to be Prashanti Nilayam, the abode of highest peace. Because whether I accept it or not, I am always seeking peace and happiness in life. I want peace and happiness. I keep saying that. Swami's solution is very simple. Swami says, drop the I, which is the ego, drop the want, which is the desire. You have peace. Let us make our life's journey peaceful and happy by dropping our ego and desires. That is why the motto of the Indian Railways is less luggage, more comfort, make travel a pleasure.